Hey guys, the best thing about the recent growth of smart devices and gadgets for our dwellings is how creative designers and developers are at finding solutions to improve our lives and solve our challenges. This set of gadgets for your room is going to prove that. Those who watch the video to the end can take part in our giveaway and win cool tube clock. Let's go! Look at this awesome RGB levitation globe that people of every age will enjoy. Built-in speed sensor can control the rotation status and speed automatically in a slow way for display once you make it work. Just make sure it's placed on a level surface, plug it in, and make the globe balance between two magnets and let it go. This device can work steadily for 24 hours, 365 days. Keep it far from iron, metal, computer devices, USB keys, and other types of electronic devices when you start to levitate, since the metal will interfere with the magnetic field. And don't try to rotate it with your fingers, blow on it, and watch it spinning. The Giiker Cube is the world's first smart Rubik's Cube. It features Bluetooth sensors in the center caps that allow you to track the state of your cube wirelessly as you turn it. Make sure it's charged before you start using it. It'll be quite disappointing to lose all the progress because the battery's low. Download the Giiker app from your phone store. Make sure location and Bluetooth are turned on your device. That'll ensure that it isn't in sleep mode and is paired with your phone. It is highly recommended to connect to the gadget via the app, since an interactive cube tutorial will teach you how to assemble a Rubik's Cube step by step. The smart timer traces the time you've spent on a puzzle and records your moves. Advanced stats provide you with detailed statistics to help you improve your speed. You can also go online and battle against other players around the globe live. Everyone can follow along to solve the puzzle in about 30 moves. Is there anything better than a Flare 2 portable Bluetooth speaker? Yes. 100 Flare 2 speakers. Synchronize light and sound across 100+ speakers via a single device for unlimited atmosphere in any space of any size. Wow! Thanks to bass-up technology, Flare 2 gives your beats the bass they deserve. A custom-designed DSP, digital signal processor chip, and dual bass radiators deliver 100% more bass than ordinary portable Bluetooth speakers. Choose one of 6 lighting modes using the Soundcore app to take complete control of the atmosphere. Heat the party up from the very beginning and bring on the chill when it's time to cool down. Complete water resistance means that your party stays rocking in any weather. A lithium-ion battery with smart power technology fuels the device while the device fuels the party. No time to explain. Drop it into your cart. Sobro Smart Side Table is designed to help you live better. Consider yourself cooler drawer, Bluetooth speakers, wireless charging, LED lights, smart sleep app, and that's just the beginning. Mid-century modern silhouette seasoned with solid materials, durability, and performance. Customizable lighting system will help to create cozy atmosphere and can wake you up naturally with a similar sunrise. So cool. Every detail is well thought out and practical. Motion-activated light buff will gently illuminate the floor if you get up in the middle of the night. White noise generator will calm you down, relax, and help you sleep as well. An intelligent alarm clock is all controllable from Sobro app. Cooler drawer is definitely a distinctive feature. You can grab a cool drink in the middle of the night or entertain your friends without having to step from the action. The back of the Sobro is equipped with all kinds of outlets, so there won't be a problem to charge your laptop, 2 smartphones simultaneously, and even wireless charging devices. Meet the next step in the smart furniture world. A 100% must-have for literally every room. You've probably heard of enormous effects of salt baths on the body, so here they are. Himalayan salt lamps are crystals carved from amber-colored rock salt hollowed out to fit a light bulb inside. These salt crystals originally absorb water molecules along with all the dust, pollens, smoke, and other particles from the air. When switched on, the heat from the light bulb evaporates these water molecules and the contaminants remain trapped inside. When heating, the Himalayan rock salt emits negative ions that reduce electromagnetic and mild radioactive substances from the air in your room. This gives very prominent results as a peaceful sleep, reduced asthma or breathing disorders, reduced allergies and stress. The Himalayan salt lamps are a natural and soothing purifier of air for your room. Why not get one of them? Your own lava. The lamps from Lava, the original, use iconic shape, elegantly flowing colored wax, and decorative glass to fill any space with the drama of motion and the beauty of soft-colored light. Perfect for relaxing, decorating, or lighting up a party, the iconic Lava light features a sleek chrome base and cap, liquid and wax that shifts and floats in a mesmerizing dance. The gadget heats up with the help of a pre-installed 25-watt incandescent light bulb. Once hot, the wax will rise and fall slowly, gradually changing the color and creating the familiar retro lava effect. So whether you're 6 or 60, you'll have a special lamp for setting the mood of your life. Now it's time for magic. Lesvet is a levitating lamp that floats over an oak base via magnetic levitation and shades warm and cozy light. 20 diodes make this lamp look magnificent. You need just a few seconds to make it fly. First, connect the AC adapter to the base, then take the light bulb with both hands and lower it over the center of the base. Then release it gently. When you feel no gravity, you'll see that the LED light is turned on and the light bulb is floating over the base. If the light bulb fails to levitate, just raise it above the base and try again. How do you like this, Mother of Dragons? Can your dragons conquer Magic Ball with lightning? This one is able to do that, with your help of course. Touch the glass exterior to manipulate the colorful electric lighting to dance around the fingertips, demonstrating the concepts of voltage, current, and lightning in a fascinating way. Environmentally friendly resin and glass, 8-watt low power, the ball will not cause any damage to your health or safety. This makes the device a perfect accessory for a theme party or your kids' room. Children couldn't dream of a better nightlight or table decoration. And yep, Dracaris. Watch the time go by in a new way with the Gixie tube clock. It's a digital clock that displays time using 6 removable glass tubes containing etched acrylic panels edge-lit by multicolor LEDs. The clock uses magnets and probes, allowing you to change each tube depending on your preferences. Thanks to the internal clock chip, you don't have to worry about setting the time after the power has suddenly gone out. It guarantees you that the clock continues to be clocked without power. Gixie Clock comes with 7 modes and 16 million colors. You can power it by USB port. Made of aluminum alloy, the outer casing is available in black, red, and silver, suitable for all environments. This clock is an attractive addition to any work desk, living room, or bedroom. Want to win a cool tube clock? Join our giveaway. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment so Randomizer could choose you as the winner. If the video collects 1,000 likes, we'll announce the winner. Good luck, everyone.